Hi, this is composer and educator Dr. Scott Watson. During the pandemic, music took a challenging hit, especially ensemble music. But I know it's going to be back. How do I know? Because music provides so much of what we as human beings crave and desire. A few years back, I was fortunate enough to work with some middle school and high school students in writing a piece of music that expressed what music meant to them. To come up with the text of the piece, I asked them to answer the question, what does music mean to them? Some of the things that they told me, they said music helps them escape, makes their worries go away, takes away pain, helps them get away from the stresses of life, helps them push past bad days, helps them get through a difficult time in their life. They also said that music doesn't judge. It helps them to truly be themselves. It makes them think of a world where no one judges them. They said that music helped them bond together and come together and make friends. Music is like a machine where different parts contribute to the whole, brings people together, that they've met many people through their life in music. I myself met my wife in band. They also said that music provides a beautiful sensation. They like to close their eyes and that the music consumes them. Their heart beats a little faster when they're involved with music. It gives wings to their mind and soul and happiness to their ears. They said that music was mysterious and unknown, but beautiful in an amazing way. They said that music was a universal language, helps them express their feelings that they can't explain. They also said that music was good for them. Music made them want to come to school. It inspired them in ways that other things couldn't. It helped them see different points of view. One person said they couldn't imagine making it through the day without music. I'd add one thing that they didn't mention, that music is a gift, and participating in music helps you to offer that gift to others. As music making, and especially ensemble music making, returns, and we see it happening already, I encourage you to keep making music so that you can participate in all that music is and means to us all.